I'm doing one of those what I eat in a week, but let's be realistic. I need to clean out my fridge first. So we're gonna go do that, and then I will be back and I will talk about what I'm gonna eat this week. If you're into realistic meals and low effort, but still nutritious and gives you energy and snacks that keeps you from spiraling when you are working a lot of jobs and have like no time, then you're in the right place. Yeah, so I have to clean out my fridge first because it's disgusting and it has so much old food. I also have to do my dishes because, yeah, when I come and I get new food or I prep or whatever, I have to have a clean kitchen. I have to have a clean fridge. It's gonna make your life so much better, so much more efficient, and it's just going to make you feel like having your environment clean really helps your mental health, and it helps you be able to be more productive. If you have a job or if you have a business or your mom or whatever, it's just going to make your life a lot better. So let's go clean, and yeah. So I try to keep it simple. I eat things that I like. I don't stress that every day is perfect or balanced or that I have all my veggies or whatever. I really do try, but some days are just not that, and that's okay. Fruit and salad prep are always great. They always save me if I never know what to eat or what to eat for lunch. Like I just eat some of that and it's healthy, and so that's great. I really want to do some more cooking videos. I love cooking, I love baking, and I try to make the time for it because it's really therapeutic for me, especially when I'm on a laptop all day. It's kind of like a way to use my hands, and it's a creative outlet for me. So, especially if you have like, if you put a podcast in or you listen to some music, it can be really fun. I like to prep just enough to like survive the week, especially for those days where I don't feel like cooking or I don't know what to eat or my mind is just too fried from working that I just like the idea of thinking of what to eat is just like daunting. So I like to have some like prep stuff just in case. I don't really like to prep that much, to be honest. Like I'm not a big like leftovers person. So when I see other creators like prepping full on meals with like meat and all these things for like 5 days, I can't do that. Like I don't like eating meat when it's been over a day. Like I have to eat fresh meat. So a good way to get by is you can still like prep veggies and stuff, like roast veggies, that's fine. Or make a big pot of rice for the week. But then each day you just make the meat like fresh. So that's like a good way to do that. I don't do this every week. Some things change, some things I do or don't do. Thanks for watching.